This is the next Archer. I'll be doing a video that may seem obvious to some, but it is how to refill a Zippo lighter. Okay. First off, a lid Zippo. Looks like that. It's my security Zippo, and this is the one I'll be filling. So you can see, has flint. Okay, first off, you do need Zippo lighter fluid and a Zippo. This is the bottom of this one. Okay. First, open the Zippo's cap, like that, and pull. Pull on this and this. So that comes out. Just put the shell right there, or the body, and you should see a little fabric piece right there. It usually will say, do not remove or lift to fill. Okay. Put that down for a second. On this, you will need to get something to take that up. I'm going to use this pen. And okay. You lift this little part. Just hold it up with one finger, and you fill, and just squeeze it in there. Don't put too much, because if you overfill it, it will leak in your pocket. So make sure it doesn't get saturated on top. Just go by the feel of it, I guess. Put it back down, like that. Close it. You might have to hit it a couple times like that before the liquid will come out. And there you go. And that's how you put fluid in a Zippo.